Hi, I'm Tim, Laura's husband. Today, we're going to go over what's called an olive removing tool. So are you a DIY or are you a plumber? This tool is very handy. If you have stops that come out of your wall, like most bathrooms do, or underneath the kitchen sink, you'll have an escutcheon on this side. If you wanted to replace this or the escutcheon, the only way sometimes to get past this on the copper would be to cut off this brass ring. But now you don't need to, because this is what's called an olive removing tool. So what you do is you slide, you have two different tips. So this comes in either 1/2 inch, 3/4. It just kind of depends on what you're working with. So this stop on the back side of this that would unscrew is actually for 3/4. This one that's on it is for 5/8 or 1/2 inch. And then you slide it inside of the copper. You take this part of the tool and you would screw this all the way down like this, put it in on the copper, tighten up the nut, and then you would take it and hold it, screw this down, and voila, it removes so that you can put a new stop on, or the escutcheon, or both. So if you have rent houses, older houses, and you don't want to tear the wall up or try to remove the copper, this is what I suggest.